Hi everybody, DayTraderRockStar here, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. We are entering the holiday season. You know, it is actually a few days before Christmas, and I decided to put the Tradometer on sale for 2 weeks, just only 2 weeks until January 1st. So it's really just a week now, because I didn't get this video out. You know, the Tradometer is used all the time here at Day Trading Radio. We have a very special deal for the members who are members of Day Trading Radio. They get an extreme discount. Most of them get it for free if they have a yearly or a lifetime membership. So it's just it's a tremendous bargain to be part of that. It's always been offered outside the site. If you weren't a member of Day Trading Radio, we're getting about $49.95. But we're going to put it on sale. First time ever. We're going to bring it down 30%. And you know, it's just been because we've been using it so much. It's been great. I'm excited. Everyone's excited about it. Even today, I'll go, you know, actually go back and take a look at today, which is kind of an interesting day in itself. It was flat. And again, if you're watching this video for the first time, it might be a little bit later than this. It's right before Christmas. But the example is that the, you know, the range of the day, you know, pretty much the range, how much the market has moved was very compact and compressed. You know, most of the day was under like 3 points. It was like probably it was just incredible. It was incredible how small it was. I think in 30 years we haven't had such a tight day. But the Tradometer once again just came out and just nailed everything. And I was just, you know, I said I got to show this. I got to show the what it's done here. Let me see if I can grab this. All right, for this part, I'm going to just show the ES. My screen capture can't capture the whole thing because it takes up a monitor. But this is what the Tradometer is. And again, hopefully most people know about the Tradometer, so they have an idea of what this video is about. If not, definitely look into it and you know, just watch the show, Day Trading Radio, because I use it all the time. So yeah, the dots and you know, the green dots and the red dots, order entry indicators. You know, telling you when to go long or when to go short. And some people say, well, I could use it going long and it'll tell me when to sell. You can. This is a very short-term trader's tool. You know, I call it a scalping tool. It's based off the shorter time frame that has a lot of things integrated in it in the back end. But you'll see the accuracy is uncanny to anything that you could come across in the markets. This thing, you know, really calculates the peaks, the bottoms. And it doesn't matter if you have a very volatile day, a big range day, the market's up 200, 300 points, versus, you know, when, like today, we had basically a 3-4 point range. A range. It wasn't even, you know, it was flat on the day, but we're talking about a range. So here it is. This was today's day. And you can see I just overlaid those alerts. And again, on the show, I normally, you know, when we do discuss the alerts, circles represent the buy signals, and the squares or rectangles represent the sell signals. And even in this tight thing, it just kind of nailed even the little things. I mean, you have to understand that certain days are going to be great for trading. You'll be able to read into this. There's so many different ways to use the Tradometer, but you know, hopefully you get to know about it a little bit more. I'll go over a little bit more with you right now on the sale here, and again, what the Tradometer is for the first time for those people out there not familiar with it at all. I mean, it's what I use. It's what a lot of people use when we trade, when we're you know, short-term trading the markets. Preferably for myself, it's the ES futures, E-mini futures. But you know, recently I've been doing a lot of SPY weekly call trading. You know, pretty much scalping intraday on that, or you know, short-term trades. But that, you know, any of the signals that show up across any of the major indexes, you could take those based on, you know, whatever you want to take it on. You could do options, you could do futures, you could do, you know, shares, you could do any combination, ETFs, leveraged ETFs. Anyway, we have the gold, we have the crude, we have the euro, and we're going to have bonds added to soon with the ES, or the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the YM. And each one, you know, works on its own, gives you accurate alerts, audio alerts, and everything. I think I plotted on the screen just like you see here, and went over what we could trade with it. So it tells you what you could trade with it, and there's a lot of kind of cool little features that are going on. When we could look back at the data, you could actually go back and look at all the previous logs and stuff. But I've noticed also when I developed this that when we were able to compile all the alerts really, how they're, when we have a sell signal or a sell signal and then a buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, buy signal. This really, if you put a overlaid a chart on this would be almost like the market. You'd be moving down, then you'd be moving up, then you'd be moving down, then you'd move up, and you'll see that the market rotates basically just how this is. And I'm just doing a lot more testing on how we could, use this as an indicator itself. There's a way we could plot that. So I'm still working on a lot of different features on this, but this thing is rock solid right now. There's nothing out there better than it, and it's on sale. Again, $34.95 per month. Normally it's $49.95. It'll go back up to that level January 1st or January 2nd. All right, the yearly package again is also discounted. Normally it's $499.50. It's $349.95. It's the best thing out there to trade. You watch it every day. If you watch Day Trading Radio, you probably get to see it. And again, if you're a member, definitely take advantage of the special you get as a member of Day Trading Radio. All right, I think that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. Happy holidays, everyone, and I'll catch you soon.